Cash Application Team Award. The Cash Application Team Award is given to the group that has best demonstrated measurable improvement in levels of unallocated cash, the introduction of standardization and automation in an environment of increased workloads. The nominees this year are Thermo Fisher Scientific, Aptiv, Medtronic, Schaeffler Slovensko, Viking Office, Computer Center, Coca-Cola Euro-Pacific Partners. Can we stop this? I think it's not going to move unless I hit the button.
It's not going to move unless you hit the button.
Okay, I just don't want to give the big reveal before I give the reason for the winner. Through process innovation projects, this year's Cash Application Team Award winner has managed to reduce 80% of the manual work within their North American cash application team. These projects included the implementation of an automated general ledger account reconciliation process, you try to say that, and an RPA bot. Deep collaboration with the U.S. credit teams, the SAP IT team, and the general ledger team have led to less time wasted on manual processes, freeing up opportunities for more complex error investigations. Let's get a drum roll, please. The winner is Medtronic.
Congratulations.
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 Me too.
Congratulations.
Outstanding.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Claudia. Okay, are we good? Yeah? Okay. Okay, you want to say a few words? Fire away. The stage is yours.
Thank you. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much to Mark and Callisto Grant Committee for sending this amazing award to Medtronic family. We are super grateful. We don't take it as a granted. And the biggest thank you belongs to our wonderful team and Credit Services Prague, North America Cash Application for their amazing daily ongoing effort to be better every year than the previous year. So thank you very much.
Medtronic, nice. Okay.